So this is me grill. Before I start doing the welding on the other bit, I'm going to prep this anyway, and if I run out of gas then I won't be able to do this yet. But we're just going to need to cut a little piece out here and a little piece out there, and then I'll weld these two bits up, because this is kind of the grill that we would have had in it originally. Not that we're going for total originality, but yeah, so I'm going to fix that and that. Yeah, see how far we get. Oh, it might help if I put a battery on it. Alright, I'll get that with a power file in a minute. There's a spot weld there, but we might even put a spot weld back there. Alright, now this little bit. I don't even know why that rotted there like that. It's weird. Hey ho, it did. Right, I could probably have found a better one of these grills, to be fair. I think I might have said that before, but don't forget to wear gloves. That actually needs to go a little bit bigger. Bugger. Well, I was hoping to use that as a template, but I have to make one out of some masking tape now or something. That's better. See, what happened there was it, I hadn't quite got it. It was still a bit further over. Never mind. Right, and get a wire brush bit in there and clean that up. We can find one. And we just get a bit of this, just splash a bit of that in there. Oh, bugger. Cut that. We marked it around with our dirty finger. Oh, wrong mark. That's it. Let me show a good template of that now. Right, need to find a little bit of steel. Right, found a little bit. This is like a bit that I've used that was off the roof from the black one. So we'll stick that on that, and then we'll spend 20 minutes looking for the snips. Right, shock horror, I actually put them where they're meant to be. That's the last place I was expecting them to be. And if we're really lucky, this would be the right size. I do need to clean it up. Oh, it's pretty close. Now it's spot on. Almost spot on. A tiny, tiny sliver there. A little splash. Weld through primer on the inside. And we'll give it 10 minutes and we should be able to weld it in. Cool. bit of a clean up, just chucked a bit of etch on it. I ended up putting another patch in because when I started cleaning it up there was another hole there. So I probably shouldn't really have bothered with this grill, but it'd be alright, that'd be fine. Yeah, so I welded my bit in there, back in there, which was broke because the stabiliser, top stabiliser was broke, so when they go it ends up putting too much pressure on that and it breaks in. I've had it before. And we've now welded that on there as well, so job's a good one. But I think that's going to be about it for this video, because I realise it's probably going on a bit now. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already, yeah, so thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, like, hit the subscribe button because it does help me out. Don't cost you nothing. Yeah, leave us a like, comment, share, do all of that nonsense, and I'll see you all again next time. Cheers, bye.